Dear students, welcome. Today we shall solve the exercise work of True Friends. It is chapter 6 of your class 5. Question 1. Question 1 says, answer these questions. A. Where did Sukhiram settle? Sukhiram settled in a town. Why did Dukhiram become poor? Dukhiram became poor as his shop caught fire and all things burnt in it. How did Sukhiram help his friend? Sukhiram offered his friend to assist him in his business and distribute the profit. In this way, Sukhiram helped his friend. Why was Sukhiram out of the town? Sukhiram was out of the town for business. What happened when Sukhiram was out of the town? Answer. Some robbers came to loot his house when Sukhiram was out of the town. Now question number 2. Question number 2 says, choose the correct options. There were 4 options in it and right one is written here. Sukhiram and Dukhiram were dash. Answer is friends. Sukhiram and Dukhiram were friends. Sukhiram had many servants to work in his dash. Answer is factory. Sukhiram had many servants to work in his factory. Dukhiram became very poor due to dash. Answer is fire. Dukhiram became very poor due to fire. Dukhiram sold his dash to pay the money. Answer is house. Dukhiram sold his house to pay the money. One day some dash came at night. Answer is robber. One day some robbers came at night. F. There were only dash servants in the house. Answer is old. There were only old servants in the house. Dukhiram told the servants to play dash. Answer is musical instrument. Dukhiram told the servants to play musical instruments. Now next question. Question number 3. Question number 3 is tick the right statement and cross the wrong statement. A. Sukhiram's standard of living was very low. Wrong. So we have crossed it. Sukhiram's standard of living was very high because he was a rich man. Sukhiram did not recognize his friend Dukhiram. Wrong. We have crossed it. Sukhiram recognized his friend Dukhiram and he provided him new cloth, food and other facilities. The servant brought old clothes for Dukhiram. Wrong. We have crossed it. The servant brought new clothes for Dukhiram. Dukhiram got all facilities in Sukhiram's house. It is right statement. So we have ticked it. Sukhiram and Dukhiram were true friends. Right. Tick mark is there. The robbers did not succeed in their plan. Right. There is tick mark. The robbers heard the sound of beeping. Wrong. We have crossed it and actually the robbers heard the sound of loud music. Now question number 4. Question number 4 says fill in the blanks with suitable words given below. Some words are given below. Fled, caught, settled, brought, rushed, flourished, returned, flashed. We have to fill in the blanks with these words. Sukhiram dashed in the town. Answer is settled. Sukhiram settled in the town. He dashed to the door to meet his friend. Answer is rushed. He rushed to the door to meet his friend. The servant dashed a lot of food for the guest. Answer is brought. The servant brought a lot of food for the guest. He dashed the book that you gave him. Answer is returned. He returned the book that you gave him. Their business dash due to good management. Answer is flourished. Their business flourished due to good management. Suddenly an idea dashed in my mind. Answer is flashed. Suddenly an idea flashed in my mind. The robbers dashed away from the spot. Answer fled. The robbers fled away from the spot. The thieves were dashed by the police. Cowed. The thieves were cowed by the police. Now we should come to next question. Next question is make abstract noun from these words. There are some words. They may be noun, adjective or verb, and abstract noun is made from that. So we have here also made abstract noun from the given words. Bitter. Abstract noun of bitter is bitterness. Brave. Abstract noun of brave is bravery. High. Height. Poor. Poverty. True. Truth. Proud. Pride. Thief. Theft. Behave. Behavior. We have changed here the words in abstract noun. Now next question. Next question says write the words used together. There are some words in one column and there are some words in another column, and we have to use and between two words and choose the pair of words and write here which are used together. So answer is ready here. Cup and plate. Coming and going. Horse and carriage. Bow and arrow. Hands and feet. Earth and heaven. Slow and steady. Rice and curry. Time and tide. Hammer and sickle. So these words are used together. So whenever you are also using these words, that time you will use these words together. Now next question. Next question says change these sentences into present tense. There are some sentences. Those sentences are not in present tense. They are either in past tense or future tense. You have to change those sentences in present tense. A. Sukhiram and Dukhiram were friends. Answer is Sukhiram and Dukhiram are friends. He earned a lot of money. Answer, he earns a lot of money. He had many servants who worked in his factory. He has many servants who work in his factory. In this sentence there are two changes. Had changed into has and worked into work. Did you ask him his name? Answer is do you ask him his name? Everything was passing well. Answer is question is everything was passing well. Answer is everything is passing well. Was changed into is. I shall provide you all facilities. Its answer is I provide you all facilities. They fled away from there. Answer, they flee away from there. And last one, he worked hard day and night. Answer is he works hard day and night. Today we solved the exercise work of true friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.